Hello everyone, it's Ozgun here. Welcome to the channel. So in this tutorial, I will show you how you can make your own rave loops in couple minutes. So the rave loops are kind of top loops that you can use on faster BPMs in harder techno tracks, the trance main room kind of tracks. They are essential tools to give your track some groove and some taste, some flavor. And if you're ready, let's jump to the tutorial. So let's say we have a track, kind of the vibe is like that. Can be a hard techno, a faster trance kind of track. It doesn't matter, you can use this rave loop. So first of all, we need to find a kick drum for this loop. It doesn't matter which kind of kick you choose, but to choose one you like. I will go with this one. So the key doesn't matter, the style doesn't matter, because we will just band pass this kick. I already had a channel for this. So I'm gonna add a pretty parametric EQ and I will just get one of these presets. Let's make the curve a little bit less sharp and let's band pass the kick. Something like that, maybe more. Okay, that's good. Now it's time to put a clap. Those are kind of wide, I like it. And for the claps, let's put them to the channel. Let's clean the low end. And maybe now it's totally up to your, imagination how you like it. I like to put some ping-pong delay. Okay, I like the ping-pong with the timing 3. It sounds nice. So now we are basically making a top loop. Maybe this head, it will just go like the off beats, just like this. So I'm searching for a hi-hat. It doesn't occupy too much space. It should be soft and smooth. Okay, not even EQ needed. Maybe even I can make it more tight. And the magic happens here, guys. You gotta find some cool house loops, It could be a top loop. It could be just a portion of an old house track. That doesn't matter. So for the best results, I was using very old Vengeance packs like Club Essential Club Sounds. They have pretty much good house top loops. I like this one. Maybe that too, but we will see. We will just put this loop and we will just put it its own channel so we can get rid of a little bit in the sample. You see, it has a perfect groove. So the thing is like that, when you're making rave loops, the top loop you find is gonna, of course, obviously determine how the groove is gonna be, how the flavor of this rave loop is gonna be. So I always like to sidechain the top loop a little bit. And the next thing, I'm gonna put a pattern because I like to write some fast rolling hi-hats. Maybe with this. So in here, the groove is very important, guys. You gotta just make sure the loop you are choosing, for example, has the same groove that you have. For example, as you see, the second hit just a little bit late than the first hit, you see, like the grid is kind of a little bit off grid. So I'm gonna press Alt Q on the piano roll and I'm gonna choose swing. And I'm going to adjust this swing knob. So you got to adjust it according to the top loop you find. So in this case, I'm just going to put just a little bit to match the dots. So for the velocity, probably the first hits could be less. And maybe also the third hit can get a little bit less. Do your own magic there. Even we can put it, I don't know, maybe some delay as well. Let's go ping pong again and the same timing. Oh, we are on the wrong channel. I think we can put it in here and let's route it to there. Let me cut the lobes. And let's make it less long. And I think I'm gonna put the same sidechain to this hi-hat. And yeah, that's pretty much it. As long as you change the loop you find, the whole groove is gonna change. So make sure to try different variations as well. So let me clone this one just to show you. Even you can loop that one, so maybe we can just use just a portion of this one. I like this one. And then, if you like, you can put some overdrive to the whole group. And make sure to clean the sample again. Maybe just a little bit more sidechain. And I'm gonna clip it just a little bit. And I just render this bad boy and it sounds like that. Now you can just use it as a top loop. Even if you like, you could give also some convolution reverb to the main group, so you can make them a little bit more ambient-y. So rendering this version just to compare. Okay, I think the reverb version is so much better. And yeah guys, this is how you can make your own rave loops in just a couple minutes. As long as you find a good top loop house sample, you can just generate this bad boy so easily. So I hope you can make your own after watching this tutorial. And today that was it guys. See you on the next video. Bye bye.